Oh, hello. They think we're ducks. Hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
Hey, what's your name?
Miles.
This is Miles, and I'm Kit. Kit the Explorer. That's spelled K-I-T. Kit, that's me. Can you spell my name? K-I-T. That sound, Kit, comes from your throat going k. Can you try that sound? Can you make that sound? Yeah. K is for what?
Kit.
Kit, that's right. But what are we gonna check out today on Kit Explores?
Duck.
A what?
Duck.
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 That's right. Can you say duck? Try it one more time.
Duck.
Duck. Yes, we're here to feed some ducks. And it's a little bit rainy, so the ducks are all resting. Should we go check out some ducks? Can you look through your binoculars and see if you can see some ducks?
Duck starts with the letter D.
I think they're over there,
Duh,
kids.
duh,
Come on,
for
follow
duck.
us. Whoa, I see some ducks. Come on. There's ducks all over this tiny little pond. Oh, and I see some baby ducks. We call baby ducks ducklings. And I think their mama knows that we have some bread. Do you want to take some bread and only rip off teeny tiny pieces? And did you know ducks prefer whole wheat bread? White bread isn't really good for them. So we can feed teeny tiny pieces to the little ducklings. Oh, how cute.
These baby ducks are looking for a snack.
Yeah, this tastes good. I don't even know what it is, but I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah, it tastes good, huh?
Oh, what is this, Mom?
It's delicious.
Mom, pay attention to me.
Ma, let's play a game.
They also love to follow Mama Duck wherever she goes.
Ma, can we go to the park?
I'm just gonna follow you. I
Oh,
wanna
my
play a game. Can you play a game with me?
Wow, come in closer, kids. Look, these ducks are so friendly. He caught that one. Look how close they are. They're coming up to say hi to you, Miles. Do you kids at home like ducks? What would you do if you had a baby duckling?
Maybe you'd help your pet ducks cross the street, like this Mama Duck is doing.
Come, ducklings, cross the street.
Okay, Mom.
Oh, this duck is a brave duck. She's eating right out of my hand. Wow. The way that you can tell which ducks are the mama ducks is the girl ducks usually have dull colors and the boy ducks have the bright colors.
Yeah, that's right. I'm a boy duck. I got some bright colors. Hello, ladies.
Oh, there's a daddy duck with his ducklings and they're swimming through the pond. I'm gonna throw some bread out into the pond. Oh, look at all the little ducklings. Miles, what do you think of these ducks? Ducks have so many feathers, and their feathers are a little bit oily, and it keeps them dry in the rain or in the water when they're swimming around. And do you want to come close and look at their webbed feet? Ducks have webbed feet, which help them paddle through the water.
Ducks are great swimmers, and they're also social. They love to talk to each other during their morning swim.
Oh, good morning, Bob. Good morning, Bill.
Hey, how's it going?
I shouldn't have stayed up so late last night.
I love being a duck.
Oh, hey, how you doing?
Do you kids at home want to pretend to be a duck with me? What do the duckies do? How could we pretend to be a duck? Should we tuck our wings under us and waddle around? Can you be a duck with me? Let's be a duck. Come on.
Uh-oh, those two don't look like ducks. I'm out of here.
We're gonna walk around this awesome little pond and feed the rest of the ducks that haven't gotten any bread yet. Come on. Ooh, and look, there's two little duck friends that are sitting under this beautiful tree, and there's blossoms on it because it's springtime and all the blossoms and flowers are coming out. Look at how fast the ducks move through the water. Wow. There's two ducks that I see over there, and I'm gonna give them some bread. Oh. What's your favorite thing about ducks, Miles? They swim?
Yeah.
What are your favorite things about ducks, kids? Maybe it's their colorful feathers, or maybe it's the way that they quack, 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 quack. Or maybe it's the way that they waddle around. There's a lot of things to like about ducks. And the cool thing about ducks is they can be found anywhere. Wherever you live, when the weather gets warm, there's probably ducks that would love for you and your parents to go out and feed them some bread. I also hear that ducks love to eat grapes.
But more than anything, ducks love to live a happy, free, and fun life. So whether you're visiting them on the water or on the land, make sure to be kind to these web-footed friends. How cute!
We're sure happy that you came with us on this fun adventure with Kit and Miles. Thanks for watching Kit Explores, and parents, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more fun and educational content for your little ones. And you can follow us on social media, on Instagram or on Twitter at Kit Explores. And until our next adventure, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, kids.
Bye.
Oh, how fun.
Baby doggy.
Yeah, say baby duckies. Baby duckies.